YouTube, what's up? It's your boy, the Fade Jeans, Memphis Barber. In this video, I'll be showing y'all how to use the Barber Magic Pencil. Man, these pencils right here, like, work wonders. It changed the whole barber game for me. Like, I love it. My clients love it because they always leave the chair extra crispy with this. So you gotta love it. Hey, so first thing you wanna do is sharpen the pencil. You wanna make sure the pencil is sharp because you only be using the corners, the edge of the pencil. You will be sketching the hairline. And when you sketching the hairline, you will give that ash effect, that glow effect that you want. And before you apply the barber pencil, you want to make sure the cut is finished. You want to make sure your client is already lined up, because the barber pencil is still an enhancement. It's just like hair fibers, kids, or whatever type of enhancer you're using. For example, if you're using hair fibers and using a barber pencil, you want to use the hair fibers first, then come behind it with the barber pencil. You want to make this the finishing touch. And also, this with this particular barber pencil, it is tan, like a beige color, so it works best for your dark skin clients. If your clients are light skin or Caucasian, you want to get the pearl white pencil. I think the brand is like Black Ice, or I don't know what type of brands they have for them, but then you want to come behind it with your trimmers and like do your best to blend it out to make it look natural as possible. You want to get that line to pop. And I highly recommend not to use your hitters because you will constantly go over the hairline and you don't want to whip your clients up. These trimmers I'm using, Slimline Pros, they not zero gap, so I can use these on kids and adults, so I can constantly like blend the hairline if I want to, if I need it. So this is before the barber pencil, just the trimmers. And it is after the barber pencil. I hope y'all enjoy. Please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them down below. It's your boy, the Fade Jeans, and I'm out. Y'all stay blessed.